Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log out of Amazon on all devices. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the Amazon shopping app on your phone. After you're on the home page of the Amazon shopping app, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see this profile option on the right hand side of the home option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the profile option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, on the top of your screen, click on this your account option. So once you click on the your account option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll see a menu. Now on this menu, you'll have to scroll down and find this manage content and devices option and click on it. Once you click on that option, you'll be further guided to another page. Now on this page, on the top of your screen, you'll see this menu. On this menu, click on this devices option. Wait for it to load, and there will be a list of other devices logged in to your Amazon account. Now to remove a device, click on it, which will guide you to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this deregister option and then confirm it. And there you have it, the device has been removed from your Amazon account. I hope this video helped you to log out of Amazon on all devices. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.